Lace fronts, hair weaves, if you wanna get your hair lace, then you wanna come see me. Silk press, rock the pliers, dreads, I can guarantee that you wanna come see me. Lace fronts, hair weaves, if you wanna get your hair lace, then you wanna.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Now today, you guys, I will be taking down the sew and weave that I did about 6 weeks ago. She's going to use the same hair because the hair is very good. It's French refined hair. And when I take her down, I'm going to give her a relaxer on the top of her head and neutralizer, then shampoo, condition, bring her back, braid her up, sew the same hair back on. Hope you guys watch the video all the way through. You better watch it all the way through, okay? Anyway, as I was saying, watch the video all the way through. Press that like button and that subscribe button, okay? Hope you enjoy. Okay, what I'm doing right now is I'm getting her hair out of the way, and I'm about to start taking her weave down. And I always start from the back. It's easier like that. And I have to be very careful with this hair and the tracks. I don't want to cut the tracks because she's using this hair over again. So yeah, that's all I'm doing right now. As you guys can see, her hair is very thick and very long. Actually, her hair is longer than the wefts that I put in. So her hair is longer than the weave, you guys. But for some reason, people think that because you wear weave in your hair, you don't have hair. That is not the case. Weaves are a protective style. And my clients that wear their weaves for a long time, I mean, get them done, come back and get it maintenance and all that stuff. Their hair grows really good and it's super healthy because I do give a trim in between. And also I make sure that I detangle it as much as possible so that when I shampoo it, it won't get super tangled. It makes your life a whole lot easier if you just comb it out after you take each cornrow out and detangle it. It makes a world of difference. Okay, you guys, I've taken the weave down, I've combed her hair out, and right now, since my customer requested, she would like her leave out to be relaxed because she sweats a lot and the texture of her hair becomes different than the texture of the weave. So yeah, I'm giving her I would say a tech slack. It's not a full relaxer. And it's only gonna stand for a few minutes. And then I rinse it off, I neutralize it, then I shampoo it with the Paul Mitchell 1 shampoo, deep condition it, then blow dry it. That's all I do, y'all. That's it. Okay, I lost the clip of me blow drying the hair, but I did blow dry it. You guys, I went ahead and I braided her hair off camera. Got that done really quick. And now I'm getting ready to sew well, I've actually already sewn one track up. And the first track at the back, I always I put the track up underneath the braid. And I make sure it's really tight, not too tight to where it's uncomfortable for the client. And like I said, this hair I'm using over again, so I'm not cutting the track. I'm just going back and forth with the track. And then the second one, when I go with the second track, excuse me, I put it on the top of the braid. And the bottom two tracks, 2 to 3 tracks are always doubled. Because there's nothing worse to me than a transparent weave where you can see through the bottom of it. Like you tried to do a whole weave with one pack of hair. That is a main peeve of mine. When I get to the top of her head, you guys, I always bring the single track, up to the front where the weave is going to hang over her face. And I make sure I secure it at the edges, really secure but not super tight. Y'all know what I'm talking about. What you guys see me spraying on the hair is dry shampoo to clean the weaved hair, because I was on a time crunch and I didn't really have time to shampoo the hair, let it dry and do all of that. So I just used a dry shampoo and it came out just as good. I am almost done. And when I'm done with this, the fun part for me is flat ironing it. So I'm almost done with this part and on to the fun part. And being that the hair has been used previously, like 2 or 3 times before, I'm going to have no choice but to trim it and make it even, because it's almost impossible for me to get those tracks exactly where they were the last time. Before I flat iron the hair, you guys, even though it's tracked hair, the hair is very good hair. The hair she's using is French refined hair, and I still put a heat protectant on it so that it won't act up. So I put it on the weave hair, and I also put it on her hair, and it makes it so silky, soft, and shiny. I really didn't need to put any glosser on there or anything because it was super shiny, but you really couldn't tell from my lighting. But yeah, I did put some glosser on there afterwards, but I made sure I had a heat protectant on her hair primarily, and then on the weave hair, because my main concern is the client's hair. Any pieces that I see that haven't been combed properly or not laying right or need to be clipped, I do that. And then I take the cape off. But then sometimes I keep going over it. I will mess and mess in the hair until they say, okay, enough. I saw that the bangs were not, hitting like they should, so I trimmed it a little bit more. And that was it for that style, you guys.